IdeaKit was designed with busy financial professionals in mind, advisors just like you. Sometimes after your record session, you need to get on your way, and depending on your Wi-Fi speed, those files can take a couple of minutes to upload. Here's how you can upload the files to us and go on to your next appointment. When you close out of the record session, you'll see these cloud icons. Each icon represents a video file. Simply click on each file and they'll start uploading to our cloud storage. Once they upload, the icon disappears. Do not completely log out of the session until all the icons are gone. You can close the app, and later when you have a spare minute, check up on the status. No clouds? That means we have the files. If we don't, we'll contact you either via text or email to let you know if we need you to reconnect to the app. Once we have your files, they're ready for us to edit and get you on your way to using video to engage your clients and prospects, all with IdeaKit.